Experiencing Dragon Elixir for the first time was absolutely magical and cold. Wondering what this elixir is? With Chinese New Year around the corner, Marina Square is buzzing with vibrant celebrations. There's a plethora of activities to dive into, from eating to playing and immersing yourself in the Lunar New Year festivities. On Jan 27th and February 3rd, you get to craft your own dragon's beard. Our first attempt at making dragon's beard was an adventure in itself. It's trickier than it looks. What we made was an imperial gray dragon's beard, and its main ingredient is malt, and followed an 8-step process to create our own dragon's beard, which turned out surprisingly delicious. But what's the dragon elixir? The master adds a special ingredient that transforms the dragon's beard into a unique ice-dry texture. Once you put it in your mouth, you become a dragon, breathing out smoke. Don't miss out on this and other exciting activities at Marina Square.
Oh my god.